question 16, with the modern calculators you can literally just type this in exactly what it looks like, so you shouldn't go wrong at all. The numbers are off-putting, they're not ideal, but let's see how we go. So I'm not going to start with this one purely because of the nature of the number. I'm going to start with these whole numbers, and we'll probably find that easier, and then I'll come back to that one. Okay, so y is going to equal to half of 3 plus 9 over 3, which is 3. Okay, so 3 over 3 is 6, half of that is 3. Now let's move on to 6, so you can see why that was obviously easy in the other one. So you can have 6 plus, okay, 9 over 6. Well, let's put it over here. So 9 over 6, that is the same as 3 over 2, which is the same as 1.5, okay? So let's do 1.5. I don't normally go for the decimals, but I'm going to do it in this case. So 7.5, that's going to be, and half of 7.5, I'm just going to write that, so half of 7.5. So half of 7 is 3.5, then add on another 0.25, we're going to get 3.75. Okay, so let's do this 1.5. So we've got half of 1.5 plus 9 over 1.5. So how many 1.5s are there in 9? So if you think about it, there's 6. And we get that same problem here, so it's 7.5. So that will be 3.75. And now we're asked to draw that on the graph, so I'm just going to pause it here. It's going to change quickly because I need to get the graph up. So I've removed the table of values now, but here's the graph and here's the points that I've got from my table of values. Now it's important to realize that with any of the graphs with 9 over x, or any number divided by x, if x was a 0, then we'd have this infinite problem. So, you know, at this point here, 0, it's going to be infinite. It's not going to hit this line. So let's make sure it doesn't. Now this could go horribly wrong with the software that I'm using. It's incredibly difficult to draw graphs or anything remotely accurate, but here I go. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. That will suffice in an exam, so that's pretty good. So it should look something like that.